Hi everybody, it's Mindy, and I have a few things to show you. Thank you to CraftArtClub for sending these. Let's get into it so that you can see what I picked out, all right? Okay, I'm gonna set these aside. We'll look at those in a minute. Let's look at this guy. Look at him. Okay, it comes with your basic toolkit, but look at him. Isn't he cute? He's just Santa, and he says love and Christmas. We got poinsettias around. We got the little candy cane striped V. Flowers here, polka dots. Isn't it cute? And then it's got like this, almost like a leopard print around the outside. This is one of those that I would cut out. You know, I'll cut this out. It does have a little shadow around the edge for the, circle, but I'll just cut it out and I'll mount it on something that would look really cool. Isn't it cute? This is one of those really pliable canvases and it came quite wrinkled, but I've gotten most of the bubbles out of it just by pulling the plastic back and stuff. It might need a little pressing with an iron. We'll see. Okay, it is a full drill round, and here are our drills. Let's look at our colors. I'm guessing lots of reds and greens. Let's see what we got. Okay, here we go. Let's roll them. Brown, black, peach, gray. Here's a green. There's a green, a burgundy, another green, another brown. That's kind of a rusty orange color. Yet another green, and another green, and another green, and another green. Yeah, you knew that was coming, right? One more green, one more green. All right, so the reds aren't like red. Okay, here's all the white for the background. So I'm gonna just save those for something else, because, I'm not going to use the whites. Well, I will use the white in here in the center, just not around the outside. And then some brownish tan colors. So our reds, all these reds and whatnot, are going to actually be probably these two colors right here. These orangey colors. And maybe they'll throw in the burgundy. That's going to be our reds. So, interesting. More orangey reds than true reds. But I still think it's adorable. Don't you think it's cute? I think it's cute. It's a 40 by 40, by the way, in case you didn't know that. All right. Okay, let's look at these little things real quick. I ordered a couple of these. Thought, why not? Let me try them. I got my favorite four-placer in rose gold. Look at it. It says 4 on it, four-placer. You can put this in any of your pens. Look, it's got the little like rubber bands to help it grip when it gets in your pen. Helps with sizing a little bit so it'll stay in there nice and firm. Looks cool. I've got to try this. Okay, I'm going to put this on one of my pens here and we'll try it out. So I got the four-placer, and these were very, very reasonable, like a couple bucks or something. Okay, come on. I want you to go back in the bag so I don't lose you. And then I got this one. Now they had the 3-placers, 4-placers, 5, 7, 8, 10, you name it. They've got the placers. But I got a single, and then I got that 4-placer. And we're going to try these out. They're both rose gold. They had rose gold, they had just the silver color, and they had gold. Yeah, check them out, okay? All right, got those. Okay, what's in here? What's in here? Little bag. Little bags are fun. Fun stuff comes in small packages. All right. Here's our toolkit, and as you can tell, we have chains and clasps. What do you think that means? It means keychains, right? Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? Dun, 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 dun. There's a gnome with a gift. These are double-sided. They're the thick acrylic. They're all just a little tacky and sticky, but that's okay. I like to spray these with Aleene's something. I don't know what you call it. It's a spray. It comes in a blue can. Just spray it. It's cool. All right? And it takes care of all that sticky. So there's him. There's this guy. Oh, I love his striped hat. He's got a striped hat and he's holding a heart. Love him. Isn't he cute? Double-sided again. All right. Here's another one. What else do we have? We have this little guy. Oh, look at his mustache. That's funny. And he's holding a stocking. He's got a stocking or a boot. Anyhow, he's almost got like a witch's hat on, doesn't he? Isn't he cute though? He's cute. Love it. Okay. Then we have another guy holding a heart. He has like a green hat and a heart. Okay. And then we have one more. He's got a heart too. Aren't they cute? Aren't they adorable? I love them, love them, love them. Okay. There's a hole in the top for your chain. See the hole? I have to poke it through this side. It doesn't look like it poked all the way through. Anyhow, there's a little hole at the top to attach your chain and your clasp and make them a keychain or an ornament or whatever you'd like to do with them. Okay? Aren't they cute? You know they're cute. Admit it. Come on, they're cute. Okay. Black. Ooh, those are larger black. That's not just a regular drill. That's a larger one. A turquoise, a bigger red, a green, a lime green, a red. What color do we call this? I don't know. Amber. Oh, how about some slivers? My friends are here. Gold slivers and green slivers. Look, there's not very many of them. Yay. And we have a few stars. Oh, somebody gets stars. Okay. Nice. I don't know who gets the stars. Somebody does. Then we have some peach, some clear, some red. Here's our regular black resin. And this is like a salmon-y color. Pretty cool. I like my little guys. I like them. Who gets the star? Where's the stars? Are the stars out tonight? No, they're not. I can't find them. I don't know. They're here somewhere, apparently. Oh, he gets them. He gets the stars. Of course. He's the witchy looking one. He gets a star right there. So he'll have one on both sides. Yay. Okay. Love those guys. Okay. Last thing comes in a box. Comes in a box. All right. I've been waiting for this. Waiting. There were 4 different varieties. It was hard for me to choose. I may have another one coming from somebody else. I think I got a couple of them. Okay, toolkit, drills. What's this? Oh, we have lights. Lights. And a place to put your batteries. Oh, the back's in there somewhere. Okay, are you ready? Oh, we got to do this. Oh, he's a bigger one. Okay, he's a 2-sided. I didn't know this. I thought he was just going to be like a 1-sided small little hanging thing, but he's not. Okay, I have the back with a suction cup. All right, this is one that comes with your toolkit. You have a screwdriver and you have all these little screws and pegs and you got to put him together because he's 2-sided. All right, are you ready to see him? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? I'm ready. Okay. I like him. So he's pretty big. He's a lot larger than I thought he was going to be. The only thing you drill is this guy right here. This side. This is what you drill. You don't drill this. These are your centers, all right? And this is the back. So the back is just printed. Look, it has a red truck with a tree and it says Christmas. Yeah. All these little holes are where you put those pegs in. I have to do him right away. Okay. You put the pegs in here it keeps it apart like this, the little pegs do. And then the lights go inside. We're going to have to work on him quickly. Isn't he cute? Like I said, there were like 4 or 5 different gnome designs. And every single one of them is cute as can be. Cute as can be. All right. I hope I have some more coming because I like that. Do you see the size of that thing? Look at it. It's bigger than my hand. Look. That's a good size, right? I didn't realize they were that big. I really didn't. I thought they were just going to be a little, cute little thing. He is about 7.5 inches. All right. Maritza, hush. All right. Let's go on. Oh, boy. How are you, Maritza? Oh, boy. Ooh, special things falling out. Okay. Clear. Green, yellow, red. Ooh, pink. Pink rhinestones. Dark amber. Some black resin. Those are resin drills with the silver on the back. I don't know. Is this champagne? What color do we call this? This is the second time I've had it. Champagne? Don't know. Light champagne, dark champagne. All right, a gold and a garnet. Okay, lots of rhinestones, but then we get a couple special drills. A round, red, and pearly yellow. That's what we get. Okay, I have to work on him. It's still November, you guys. I'm trying to get a few more things done. I'm working on my second full drill. I can do the fun things. That won't take that long. I want to see what he looks like. And then I get to do construction. Yay! I haven't actually put one of them together yet. Woo, woo. Okay, so thank you, Craft Art Club. This is adorable. I love this order. Love it. Love my little keychain gnomies. You know, these actually take a little bit longer. They're two-sided, you know, and there's 5 of them. Look. Oh my gosh. We got friends. Well, let's all just be friends. I love it. Okay, love it. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. I had fun. If you didn't have fun, at least I had fun. All right, hit that like button. Subscribe if you're new here and would like to join in on the shenanigans. I hope you do, because we got shenanigans sometimes. And yeah, I hope you have a great day. I'm gonna work on him. All right, hopefully I'll have it done pretty soon. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye, everybody.